No, that is it. Right now, big up each and every one boy. All who knows them great, so big up on yourself. Yeah, man. First round. Peace. Cease and second. All who come across the war. So tonight the Ranks.Ras, entertainers, spinners, try and swing easy. Now this is a time now where the judges have made their scores. The crowd has to make their noise for their person here tonight, which goes on to their scores right here tonight. Now can you make some noise here now for Swing Easy? Come on, make some noise, Swing Easy. Right, make some noise here now for the entertainers. Make some noise here now for Crusher P. Make some noise, Article Ranks. Make some noise for Spinner's Choice. Right.
Very light.
There you go now. When I get the scores in my hand, I'll tell you which contestant has been eliminated here. Right, Pat, can you make your way to the front, please? Pat in bar, can you make your way to the front, please? Once again, one contestant here has to be eliminated, and 4 go through to the next round. We'll go through the same criteria, and then 2 is eliminated in round 2 to make the final. Okay? Pat, is Pat here? Right. Tim, you got the scores here.
You know the code for that?
Right, guys, do we know what's happening here?
I've got to add them up and come back in 10 minutes.
Yeah, she adds them up.
Right, okay.
Dave Russell.
Right.
Dave Russell. After Dave Russell, man. Dave, come with. Dave Russell.
Right, Dave Russell. If you're around Dave Russell, can you make your way to the front, please, or fight Tina, please? Dave Russell. Right, we're going to try and play 1 or 2 tracks. Where's Supertone? We run a tune, and then we come back with the scores. Where's Supertone? Is he here? Yeah. I run 2 tune. And then, I know, brother, everything's nice. And then we'll find the scores after he's played these 2 tracks. Once again, after this round, 1 person comes out, 4 goes into the next round. After round 2, 2 is eliminated from that round, which makes the final. For the gold cup, which is on my left-hand side there. But once again, big thank yous to each and every one that that's here tonight, supporting this here tonight. Right, Pat, you're here.
Hi everyone. Could you please, if you want to go to your car, go now. In 10 minutes, I'm going to close the door. You can only go outside for smoking. Alright? Thank you very much. Enjoy your night.
Right, so Pat, we'll go in this next round here now, and that becomes the final in the next round. So thank you very much, guys. Thanks, man. And I must also say, please, contestants, make sure that we're ready to play. We want no gaps on a tight schedule right now, so make sure we have a three reggae vocals, 3 instrumentals, and also the 3 roots and a track of your choice ready to play.
Well, alright then. By the skin of my teeth. 3, right? 3 vocal. So, you think it's going to be a foregone conclusion between Crusher and Ranks? Let's see how we get on. 3 reggae vocals, alright? Time to step it up now. Step it up. Quality, not quantity. Quality. Mothers and fathers, sisters and brothers, let's get together. Let's love one another. We are all black. And we are proud of that. We are not afraid to shout it out loud. Like you let me keep my heart there beyond. For don't be your mind again. Black beauty, yeah. Alright, 1 out of 3. First deep round. First deep round for the night. Reggae vocal, deep round. Good sing-along, it's a good sing-along. Alright, we're having a live now. You guys will get to know Ambassador, where you there? Ambassador. Try your best. All this love I give to you, you won't see inside the blue. You're the only one I need. You're
Yes, swing easy, thank you very much. That's your 3 tracks. Entertainers.
Yeah man, hold tight, swing easy. Boy, it's in days proper star rapper. This song buy that for my birthday present 1 year straight. Come in the other come around here, so a big tune still. So go on, selector. Barney T, the birthday boys, run some tune round here, man. Sure. What's it now? Entertainers for there, North West London. So,
no shame around my peace, and I'm not free.
oh say, there's a certain boy I put on knee because I'm shaking. I'm not shaking around here. I'm nervous, confident. So, selector, 75 seconds. What's it now? Entertainers for there.
No shame around my peace, and I'm not free.
What's this?
The pressure of society won't let me be.
What's right, selector?
Pollution in the air.
We've been choosing Taylor.
Got a home, can't find a job. I got to get
And I'm frightened. Alright, selector, you're ready again. Coming on, lose the mask. Put up that much. The next tune. L0.
oh yeah.
L0. Arab label 7-8. Arab, listen. And them children from a liquor boy. Farmer's Court, Strawbridge. The garrison. Yo, operator, fix on the song. L0. Look where we come round ya. So what?
All Babylonians must fall. There's no dancing at all.
There's no stand no chance round here.
I know I did come, and judgment shall be on the land. That's with all the Rastaman, I know, and the Babylonians. I know to roll. You are not afraid, are you a Bali? You a black man, are you a white man? These words
Alright,
are
selector.
to you.
Alright. Alright, more tune again. Third entry from the vocal round, entertain us in there. We don't run from nothing around here, you know. We don't run from nothing, you know. Cause lots of them try to kill me, we still there. And we are not doping. Sure, we are not out here, man. We don't start the doping. Listen again.
Whoa, whoa, I need someone.
What you know?
Need someone to control. I need a shoulder to cry on. I need a love of my own.
Thank you very much. We're going to keep it fast and moving very quickly. Up next, Crush Up Team with your 3 reggae vocals for tonight.
Yes, my reggae vocals goes like this. Yes, we're playing certain kind of tunes. This is Clash, but normally we like the sweet tune there. But hear this tune here. Run out to the studio first. This time. If you ain't got the tunes, come out of here. Hear this tune now. I'm telling you, you don't have the tunes, come out. Hear them tune there. Listen to the words of this tune.
Once again, rules stipulate no one touching the decks. It goes against the presenter on the deck.
You want to hear the tune again? Just call it, man. Call it, man. You don't know what? You want to keep them on their proper here, you know. this, we want to get to the one-to-one business as quick as possible, you know. My man is a man like to kill. And this last tune, whatever happens tonight, respect to all the DJs that come in. But at the end of the day, I don't care what one. All I know, I'm going to get the cup. Hear that? Hear them tonight. Choose to play, choose to come in.
Yes, Crusher. Yes, you're going a little bit there, bro. All who's in them come and clash. Say war. You can talk off your mouth as much as you want. It's a war. Come here and say Ranks play one way. I just kill. No, sir. Pick up all the good girls. I walk around this.
concentrate about my days. That's me.
All right, Mr. War again.
Turn them on.
Nice. Yes, sir, going around so that swingies, everything, but all swingies, all that stuff. Right, that was the first segment of the three regular good tracks scored tonight. Now, the judges have already marked it. Now we need your votes for each contestant here tonight. Make some noise for Swing Easy. Make some noise for Entertainers. Crusher P. Article Ranks. Remember in this round two contestants are going to be eliminated. Two. And that leaves the final for tonight. Swingies, when you're ready.
Thank you, Gussie. Alright, so it's not yet official that Ranks and Crusher are going to go through to the final. It's not yet official. It's not official. Nothing official about it. We're going to give them a run for the money, right, Entertainers? not going to give them a straight flush. They're not going to get a straight flush through to the final.
Entertainers when they're ready.
Yes. Oh, time. All over.
Here you go. One man.
All over. You know, they are. I represent, you know. Right now, entertainers from that way, slowly, you know. Now we playing a rock and shit, but you know.
Here comes music to set your soul on fire.
Yes.
And to satisfy your heart desire. A soul.
Try kill me out. It's still there. Entertainment.
Here comes music to set your soul on fire and to satisfy your heart desire.
Hear it.
A soul. Here comes music to set your soul on fire and to satisfy your heart desire. A soul.
Watch that again. Next to guy, you know, and the instrumental room, you run some instrumental.
track, guys.
2 minutes of chat now, selector, see? Yeah? And the final entry for entertainer, see? It's them Junior. Instrumental, we say. Tunes and turntable, ordinary tea.
Entertainers, thank you guys. Right. Crusher, before you go any further, contestants, please make sure you stick to the criteria. 3 regular vocals, 3 instrumentals, 3 roots, 1 track of your choice. The judges will mark you according to what's been given to you prior to this competition. So anything that you don't do right now, points will be deducted from that. Kosha, when you're ready.
Yes, here's my instrumental running for the 2nd time in this class. There's some little weak tunes that being played, but people say that it's just going to be me and Ranks. It doesn't matter who gets into the finals. Music is going to be the winner tonight. Real stuff. Here my first instrumental. Here's the tune there. When you play that very loud tune, I think you started same way. You started Yes. One man big dropout. Who actually look after black people and fought for them. This tune goes out to him, you know. Darkest Hole. You know, he did a show, I forget what it was called, but anyway. Yes, we don't want to play that too long. Alright, it's such a special night tonight. I have to play a tune that got the special in it. Hear this tune. Listen to it. We have to just play it. You know the tune.
And you know that tune's something special. It is a special night tonight. Anyway, this next tune, requested from a brethren of mine, is in the crowd. I'm not going to mention his name, but hear this tune here. My last instrumental. Oh, just Studio One. Say them like it, hear it again. Yes, coming rounds.
Like to be Ross Crusher P.
Yes. Good to go. Big up yourself, go say, don't know. Are you feeling good? Are you not entertained? Yeah, Russell Crowe, no, you know. Are you not entertained? Jesus. Anyway, what is that? Come on, Clash. Wow. Anyways, that tune you know, it name Ting Tang too, you know. Some Japanese thing, it mean kickbacks and lick. I know it's not a regular tune or nothing. It's something you have to get used to, but it's a wicked instrument. Hear that tune now. Cowboy style. Me I know that shit in a cowboy style. Me I know that shit in a cowboy style. Me I know it in a cowboy style. When I know that shit in a cowboy style. Sit there, tell me who me favor. Tell some of them I say me are the Lone Ranger. Just see me and me have the 6-shooter. Fire 2 shot, boy run for cover. See me, me are the dance master. And when they come out of the music, they come shower. Terror, me say, every hour. And people never come and never charge the murder. See me, they dance and chill. Around the mountain, you from in the area. Jesus! Where is the wind? The big wheel don't stop turn. The more you live, the more you learn. The pure fire must get burned. Big up on yourself, you know, because I know so love music. We all love music, that's how we're there. Yeah, man. A music alone shall live. My God, sorry for the man then though. That can't be them. big man friend, big up yourself, you know. Get done right, go. Music, you know. Music alone shall live.
Right, that was the instrumental piece. Now, once again, we have two contestants going to be leaving this round. Back to back, 1 for 1, chatting, talking. Crusher.
Yes, it's just me and Ranks in the final. Yes, Ranks, we like how you fire them tune there after me, you know. And we want to see fire tune after me again. We really like this. We start with it, with this year one. I know you like the stick.
Right, once again, I'm going to say it again to people in front. Anyone touch the deck, it goes against the contestant. If you want it rewind, tell him.
Sorry, mate.
Too late.
Yes, I'm going to play it again anyway. Remember, don't touch the deck, just come and say you want it again. That's all we want to hear, right?
Yes,
Come here, man.
yes.
Yeah, lovely. Well, you know what I mean, sir? Wow.
I know what me talk about ballad, you know. And I said, through them and locks on them head, you know. You understand? I just ballad, right? We run them boy there, right? Because you have some boy fight against Rasta, you know. But love reggae music, you know. You understand that? You know what we do with them boy, you know. I don't know the business. Here we go. I'm beating now. Beating so badly.
Yes, Mr. Ranks. Nice little tune. But we have to kill that tune there with this tune here. We have to kill that tune there. Here, people. Here we are dealing with. Listen to this tune here. Listen to that style. I said, now listen, no child. Go on your own road every while. Yes, cause you're not joking tonight. There is one Northwest. Listen, no child. Girl, I know all you are very wild. You just run it from man to man. But you better have a change of plan. Cause know that you are gonna receive me. You have to start being carefree. You better forward ever. Go backward never. Go never take your love forward. Never I said you think you're tough, but girl I know that it's just your love. You're in the academy behind the wall, but I will tear it down and let you fall. Yes, we want to play these tunes quickly.
Alright, I'm going to tell you about some of them that come, you know. I love Jadan. You sexy Jadan. Let me tell you. My comforter, that's my guy. I'm gonna run all night.
Night.
Yes, Ranks, you're lucky I didn't bring the other piece. Yes. Anyway. Follow them tune there with a tune like this. Hear this. Not a clashing tune. We now rock tonight. Who know them tune now? What they talking about?
Yes, we're gonna stop beating like picnic crusher. You can deal with it. Who are doing? Them there talk about watch on. Here we play watch on. Studio one. So we play watch on.
Yes. You don't call it a wicked tune myself.
I ain't a wicked tune, man.
But we take them tune and hang them. Hang them like this.
Alright, son.
Yeah, them say suicide though. Suicide. Well, you know, no, cause hanging tree, I couldn't me. That remind me of when, you know, where black people get hung by the white slave master them back in the day, you know, we don't tolerate them thing there. See? Here one now, that one your name forgive I. Cause I have to kill him. Man rock. You think me nice? Man rock. Righteous man.
Yes, we play a nice little tune there, you know, but we'll kill that tune there with this here tune, not a new tune. Hear this tune here. Listen to this tune. You don't know, get to know. Listen to words on this tune here. Yes, Mr. Ranks. Just to be as we say, this is clash. This is clash. And this is how we return that tune there. Like you return to me, take the flavor and take it nicely.
Alright, now I'm going to lick me no time and you don't get licked back. Who you do? On this one. Wait, say you come again if you're back. Come again if you're back.
Hey, looks, you want to hear another cut? You want to hear another cut?
Before we go into that now, I've just been told that we have to be out of here by 3:30. Okay, so now that leaves us now with 2 tracks from yourself and 2 from Article Ranks to determine who has gone through tonight. Now, hold on. It's not, we can't have a clear tune afterwards, you know. Alright? So now, the judges are making the scores. Now I want to hear from you now. Make some noise for Crusher! Make some noise for Article Ranks! Okay. Right. So now, this means now 2 tracks of yourself 2 for article, and then we find out who's won for tonight.
Yes, man. Did you like that session when cut? But that last piece was a little bit weak for me. Anyway, we're dealing with the same way, you know. We're dealing with the same way. Hear them start here. Hear them start. To hear the lyrics.
Right now, Philip Level and Senator Bia keep a dance. When this thing are done, when they can go over south and hear them the style too. You understand? Them the style. You now hear this though when you go over south tonight. See? Remember me say, when you come a war, when you come a clash, war!
Everything's so nice.
Wicked.
Sure. Time I was done shot.
The jokes you run, now we see us time. Sister, yes, they say now is my time. I know it's a more time. So find out the jokes you run, now we see us time. Sister, yes, Nation against nation, father against son. Now you see the revelation. I see us stand, yeah.
Russia get serious now. One more tune, Lee.
Yes, as I say, we have to be out here by 3:30. Alright, don't worry about but we're not worrying about the time. What I'm going to tell you now, it's a pleasure coming to play for you people. A pleasure, and I thank all the contestants who came to produce this. And we thank Willie for putting it on. And also, I have to shake Mr. Ranks' hand to play some good tune. Anyway, this is my last tune. This is for all the man them here, connoisseurs. Hear them tune there. There's not plenty of this tune about. Hear this. Listen to them style there. If you don't know, get to know. This tune is for the connoisseurs as well as for everybody. A small world. That's my last selection for the night. I wish you could go on for a little bit more, but you can't. Anyway, next time we'll do it again.
Yeah, man, once again, I'd like to second what Crusher said earlier. Thank you all for coming out, supporting and enjoying yourself. Will you enjoy yourself? That's a full job, you know. And that we have to do for honor, you know. So anytime you not enjoy yourself and a DJ up and not afraid to boo them, you know. You understand? Because them now do what you want and you pay your money, come and dance. You want entertainment, you want enjoyment. Make sure to start give to some of the DJs who have pop up the place and get me with murders. You understand? Anyway, I'm my last show on this. I want to say, when they come a clash, then. You understand? You may South London. Jesus Christ. You are world. I'm not biased. I'm here some people say we're biased. I'm not biased. Big up Texas Ranger. Chuck it down, baby. Respect up there. Tasha. That's it. Well, the rest of the pretty man. Little pretty man. Jesus. Yo, remember the double we are going for this year, you know. So remember, 28th of May, we are going to lick our head down again. See? Alright. Respect, come in, Gussie.
Well, what can I say? What can I say? Once again, a big round of applause for Crush and Oscar Ranks. Come on, big it up every time. Throw some lights on, some lights on, please. The lights, Pat, the lights on, please, my brother. Right now, this is what the guys are fighting for. This copy, the gold copy, right here in my hands here right now. Now, the judges. I'm sure that we've got the scores already and the crowd response. So once again now, could we make some crowd response for Crusher on this last piece? Make some noise for Crusher. Make some noise for Article Ranks. Right. Do we have all the paperwork here so we can okay. Let's see the paperwork. Let's see the paperwork. Ask a friend, listen. And that's your sentiment. Alright. Okay, that's what we're trying to do. We're still trying to see. I don't know what they're doing out there, but can we find a tune from somebody? Look out for a tune here. Yeah. Yeah. Play one tune and hopefully we're back with the scores. Once again, big thanks. Over the judges once again. Also, just moving. Big time. Push one more piece, yeah? Do the thing that is right. Let's all unite. Shotgun blast, get your power. Another black virgin's down. Let's do the good.
This one called Life in the Arena, 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 Arena. This one called Life in the Arena, 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 Arena.
Right, once again, big thanks to the judges, Jadan, Dave Russell, Stages Morgan. And also a big thank goes out to Tina for making sure the scores are kept right. Where's Willie D? He's gone missing again, hasn't he? Yeah? That's per usual. Right. Yeah, I know, I'm always going missing somewhere. Right, Tina, thank you very much for keeping the scores. Okay. That's that for yourself, okay? Thank you very much. Alright. Now, this is what the guys are fighting for here right now. This cup here, the Gold Cup. Many thanks again goes out to all of the contestants that took part here and made tonight possible. Many thanks again goes out to our Spinner's Choice, Swing Easy, Entertainers, Crusher out to the Ranks. The final was very, very close. But along the way, one person was in front. This is how I saw it anyway. One person was in front, and then they started to follow. And when they followed, that was the mistake they made. Okay? Stick to your plan, and that would have been it. Right. The scores for tonight, for who won and who is the Gold Cup champion in the Addictive round this morning. One person had 44, one had 47. Judges made the score and the crowd response done the rest. The winner and the champion tonight and this morning after the Ranks. After the Ranks. There you go. That's the cup. But before, once again, can we make some noise for Crusher P? The champion after the Ranks, any words after? Taking a picture. Where you coming up? After the Ranks. Where you coming up?
Yo, respect people, me I tell you now. You don't know, you know. I'm a fourth cup this still, you know. So, I still have a long ways to go before me catch up with all Jesse James and them man there. But no, truly, I have respect to thanks and respect to each and everyone who come out and support. And no time at all. If me hear people say, North-West London people back now run them, because I know say nothing no go so. You understand? Or remember, you know, South London no buy a side, you know. Oh, so you remember say we all music lovers, end of the day, you know. When we say clash, and that me deal with some man gone a different way, but me just know clash one way. Kill. You understand? So anyway, go see, big up.
Right, one more thing. There's a lady who's just come down for the first time, and she's here for the first time in the class. She thoroughly enjoyed herself. Janet, where's Janet? Where's Janet? She here? Janet, Patrick says, big up yourself, and she thoroughly enjoyed herself. Thank you, Janet, for coming down from North London and enjoying the vibes. So once again, the champion of the Ranks.
Yes, people, once again, big up yourself. I will come out and enjoy myself, you know. I'm not the winner. It's music is the winner. You understand? I just want to get some of them DJ, some of them owners of this club. Big up yourself here, Paz, because you are going with the thing them. Some of the club them now bring the vinyl in a them club. Them just want CD and laptop. You understand? And we have to make a stand. We have to talk to the promoter, you know. Because I'm a good DJ. I can play party, I play anything, you know. But true, me not work with CD and laptop. Me not get no work. You understand? So you don't know it, though. But if you talk to the man and know, say, put back the turntable in the club them. You understand? Put back the turntable in the club. So the energy with the vinyl bringing on is a different energy from CD and laptop. Remember that. Anyway, respect. Ball and gold finger big up.
Right, once again, on to the judges, Sky Juice, Jukedale, there, Russell, thank you very much. Tina, thank you so much. Also the sound system, Bullion Sound. Big up Bullion Sound inside here tonight, come on. Big time. Respect. And big thanks to you guys as well for coming down and supporting this thing out. Thank you very much.